Welcome to Pedro's Cactus Grill. Today we're going to go out to eat and figure out tax and tip, and maybe we might even have a coupon or two. So get ready. We're going to take a look at the menu up top. It's full of tacos, enchiladas, nachos, and apparently some very popular fried ice cream. We're going to go to ticket number 1. So take a look at ticket number 1. They ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different items. Go ahead right now and we're going to fill in how much each costs. So look above at the menu. For example, queso and chips would be $1.75. Go ahead and keep looking at the menu and fill in how much each item would cost. Nachos is $5. Chicken added on an extra $1. Watch out. Combo platter, yum. I'm getting hungry just doing this. Now, watch out for this. This says 4 fried ice creams. So we're going to take the amount of a regular ice cream, which is $2.20, and we're going to multiply it by 4. If you do that, you should have gotten $8.80. All right, now a subtotal just takes all of these and adds them up. Try it on your calculator. If you do it correctly, you would get $35.25. Now we've got to figure out tax. Tax, we're going to find 6% of our subtotal, $35.25. Now this is written as a percent. I can't put that in on a calculator. We're going to change that by moving it bloop, bloop, 2 times. Look at that. We're now going to multiply $35.25 by 0.06. If you do that, you might need to round because money goes out to the hundredth spot. So you would get $2.12 for a grand total of I'm going to put my dollar sign on here, $37.37. 37.37. Look at that. Oh, that sounds delicious. All right, now we're going to move on to the number 2 ticket. All right, go ahead and fill in the amounts for each item that they ordered. Should have gotten $2.50, $3.20, $7.15. Whoa, watch out. Look at this. This is 3 sodas, so you're going to take the price of a soda and multiply it by 3. You should get $4.95. Watch out for this one. You have 2 fried ice creams. So you're going to multiply the cost of fried ice cream times 2 to get $4.40. For a subtotal, we add these all up. And you should have gotten $22.20. All right. Now we're going to multiply by tax. Choop, choop. Make it a decimal. Look out for rounding. And you should get $1.33. All right. Now, tip. Tip is new. Let's look down below. It says, I'm going to highlight this, tip is based on the subtotal. Before you add on tax from the government or maybe any discounts you might have a coupon. So we do tip based on this subtotal right here. Okay? So once again, we're going to change 18 to a decimal, sorry. Boop, boop. There it is. You'd have 0.18. We're going to multiply that on the subtotal. All right, that would be, we're going to tip them $4. That took some rounding, didn't it? Yep. All right, now let's look at our grand total. We're going to take our subtotal, add on our tax and our tip. Before we leave the restaurant, we are spending $27.53. Ta-da! All right, another thing to pay attention to down here is tax is based on the price. That's not a highlighter. Let's try that again. Tax is based on the price before the tip, but after any discounts. So we don't have to pay tax if we have a coupon, which is very handy. All right, let's look at the last one. As we did before, let's go ahead and fill in all the amounts from the menu above. You should have $1.75, $5 nachos, $6 nacho with chicken. Oh my goodness, watch out, 4 ice creams. Didn't we do this already? We sure did. You should get $8.80. All right, grand total. Add all these up. You should get $35.25. Now, look at this. We have a discount. Hip, hip, hooray. Discounts are 10% off of this amount right here. So we're going to change this to a decimal. All right. Bloop, bloop. So that's 0.10. Multiply that by the subtotal. Now, a discount, watch out. Discount means it's going to be less money. So I'm actually going to take off. I'm going to subtract the amount. You should have gotten $3.53. If we take that away, our new total is $31.72. That's the amount we're going to pay tax on. You know how to find tax. Go ahead and change that to 0.06. Multiply $31.72 by 0.06. If you do, you should get $1.90 for tax. All right. Now, this is new. We are adding on, well, okay, the discount was new. We're going to add on tip, right? Here we go. All right, change that. Bloop, bloop. Should be 0.15. We're going to multiply that by. Let's read over here what we're going to tip on. All right, it says tip is based on the subtotal. Oh, so up here is my subtotal amount. Dun, da, da, da. We're not going to tip the servers any less because we have a coupon, and we're also not going to tip them on the tax that we're giving to the government. So we tip on the subtotal. So let's multiply $35.25 by 0.15. You should probably going to have to round because it stops at the hundredths place. Should have gotten $5.29. All right, now this is a lot to add up. Here we go. We've got our discounted amount, right? We took off our little coupon. We're going to pay tax and we're going to pay tip for our grand total, oh my goodness, of $38.91. Ah, well done. That was a lot, and now I am hungry. Let's go eat.